Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing have started rolling out May update for Nothing Phone 2a. The last March update was released together for both the devices Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2a. But currently Nothing Phone 2 haven't received the latest update of May. Nothing have rolled out May update only for Nothing Phone 2a. And let's talk about those changes, what Nothing have done with this latest update. First of all, if you guys haven't received the OTA update, you can just go to the settings, check for system update. Because most of the time we don't get to see notification of OTA update on Nothing phones. You can go to the about section and check for the OTA update. Currently, if you see, it's still based on Nothing OS 3.0. Nothing OS 3.1 have still not been released for this device, wherein CMF Phone 2 Pro is running Nothing OS 3.2. Let's wait and see when Nothing will release the update of Nothing OS 3.1 or either Nothing OS 3.2. And you can see the update size was quite huge on Nothing Phone 2, which is more than 1 GB. The version of this latest update is 1922 and it comes with 1st May 2025 security patch. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have somewhere around 84% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch a video. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Now let's quickly take a look at the changes what they have done. So the first change what Nothing have mentioned, and that's related to the private space. Recently even Nothing 3a series got this update which included private space, which says now you can swipe right in the app drawer for quick and easy access to your secure zone. And now let's open up the private space. From the app drawer, you just need to slide towards the right hand side. You can see an introduction of private space. Tapping on continue. You need to authenticate if you have set any password. Once done, then it will start setting up the private space. It will ask you to re-enter your PIN. Then you have the option to choose a lock for your private space. For added security, you also need to add a backup screen lock. You can use the similar screen lock what you had already set on your device. Then you need to add again fingerprint, and now your setup of private space will be completed. Once the setup is completed, just tap on done, and here we have the private space in action. And in this private space, you can add files. You have a private camera option also. So directly from the private space itself, you can click any photo and that photo will not be displayed in the gallery. It will be directly displayed in the private space itself. After that, you have private photos, like if you want to add any photos which are available on your device, that can also be added in the private space. And if you read the description, it says private space are not suitable for apps that needs to run in the background or send critical notifications such as medical apps. It will also ask you to create a different Google account so that your data will be secure and doesn't get synced with the original account present on your device. Under private apps, you can add the applications too. So once these applications are added, for example, I'll select this application, and this application now will not be appearing in the app drawer. Instead of that, I have to swipe right to open the private space, and now I'll be able to access that particular application. Tapping on edit, I can anytime remove this application from here. So private space is actually a very good add-on. After that, in the changelogs, they have also mentioned now you can set a separate privacy password for both app locker and private space. And that option can be found here in the settings, security and privacy. If you scroll down, you can see here we have an option of privacy password, which says a separate password for your app locker and private space. So here you can use different password for both the things, app locker and private space. They have also added a new hotspot manager, which can be found in the settings. If you go to hotspot and tethering option, under Wi-Fi hotspot, towards the bottom side, if you see, we have an option called maximum number of connections. So from here, you can select maximum devices which can be connected to your device Wi-Fi hotspot. By default, it's set to 16. And if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it to 1 also. After that, they say they have introduced the Nothing Gallery application. Gallery application was already there on Nothing Phone 2a. We have already received it in Google Play Store. And before updating the device, I did check the version of that particular application. That time the gallery version was 1.1.13.0425. And after updating the device, the version have been changed, which is now 1.1.18.0507. So basically there's nothing new have been added in the Nothing Gallery application. It remains exactly same. Slowly they will be bringing the AI features in the gallery application, but currently we only have one AI feature. And that's like, you can tap and hold on the subject, then using AI device extract the subject from that particular image. This is the only AI feature they have added, and still this gallery doesn't have its own edit option. But let's cross check whether we can set this application as default app for the camera. First we need to disable the Google Photos application. I'll just disable. And now if I click a photo and try to open, we are still not able to set this application as a default app. I don't know what Nothing is doing. It's been long time. They should at least allow us to set the default application as Nothing Gallery. But let's see, with the upcoming updates, we might get to see that also. And at last, under new features, they say use the touch feedback toggle in the settings to disable the face unlock vibration for the lock screen. So if you have set the face data and later on you go to settings, sounds and vibration, under vibration, you can disable this touch feedback, and once this is disabled, the device won't vibrate while unlocking with face data. But if this thing is enabled, yes, it will vibrate. After that, there are some other improvements what they have mentioned. First one is enhanced accessibility experience for status bar and notification center. I think here they are talking about the better screen reader support for users who use tools like TalkBack, because this is what I was able to understand. And then they have stabilized the cellular network connection, enhanced Wi-Fi and system stability. So guys, these are the new features and enhancement what you guys will see on Nothing Phone 2a with the May update. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.